Abanyishenjero abari kusitama akakiiko k'ishenjero ako kucondoza Enshonga za Minisita Namuganza pasisi okubingwa habwa Minisita barinda Minisita kumara eddakiika zirikurenga 20 batari kumureba bitu nabwa nyuma harebekaho purida we bitatine ekihandiiko kyona ekirikworeka ngu n'amazima yasindukwa Minisita.
So I want you to help us confirm because Rule 1098, the President is the one supposed to transmit these documents to your client. So you help us confirm, did the President actually transmit these documents to your client or not? 2, I need you to help us confirm, did your client receive the invitation from our clerk inviting her for this meeting?
Whether you are aware that it is either the Speaker or the presiding officer of a particular committee or meeting to determine whether the matter is sub judice or not. And for him or her to make a decision, of course, facts must be laid before him.
Nabwa nyuma yashabwa kuterera Minisita Sumo abamanyise ngo niwe yamusindika bitu bwanyuma y'eddakiika 15 nokwe kugaruka akabagira ngo Minisita ati yakwata Sumo ye bakamushaba ekihandiiko ekirikworeka ngu noroya akaboreka ekihandiiko kirikuruga omu ngandaro society bakamwicariza okugira ekiyagamba.
My proper identity. If somebody doubts a lawyer, there are two things that are done. You either go to law society, you go to the Register High Court, or you go to the Law Council.
Let us avoid this repulsive, temperamental discussion. It is going to derail us from the actual reason we are here, from both sides. Council, please, if anything has been said to offend you, on behalf of the committee, we apologize.
Kuyabuza ubwahabwa enshati na Minisita yagira ngo batunjira obujuruzi oburikworeka Minisita ebi yakozere ekikyererezi kandi tubabarabiremu okubasa kwija kubugarukamu ngu kandi ekindi enshonga ziri omu kooti.
Lawyer nukwe lawyer atugira konka yatine papura bukoreka ngu Minisita wa musindika arukutushaba ngu tumwongera obwire atugarukemu. So nitwe twamwongera obwire obundi ntwamwetera okubanza obundi akaba yashomera mu evidence yona aija tugarike makwa nawe nayitaga okumuha obwire bwa fair hearing tukwenda kworeka ngu turubaya so twamuhubwire obuyatushaba katurebe mande yatizire kandi aho twatachine cyo gukora nzagumza muno mushango tutine input ye ekitweta expert.
Kuyabuzibwa yaba yatunjire barahayo no kurwo wa president eri kumugambira Enshonga yagira ngo takachurrahoga okwihaho cyari kumanya nemishango iri mu kooti.
If the President had given the Minister these documents 14 days before the select committee had been set up, you would not be telling us we gave you the information, the evidence a day two, because we expect you to have these documents.
Nabwanyuma chairman w'akakiiko aka yabashaba kugaruka rwa kabiri rw'esabite rukwija okugaruka mebuze birababuzo bwe amakuru agagasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza.